I'm Greg Jensen. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Kocourek Automotive. We've been a VinSolutions client for the last 6 years. The last few years for our business has been extremely good. We've just completed our 11th straight record year in a row. We've seen sales, particularly in the last year, increase 8%. So we're very happy with where we've been and more excited about where we're going. Our expectation when signing on with VinSolutions is that we would have a performance manager that would truly invest their time with us, and we've certainly seen that along the way over the last 6 years. Our performance manager is key to our success. He holds our feet to the fire every Friday on a phone call at 8 o'clock that all 5 of our stores are on, and we, with using VinSolutions Matrix, have a head count or a log that says each store's number of opportunities for that week. And we can see some fluctuations from store to store in opportunities, whether it's a phone opportunity, internet opportunity, or a guest walks in opportunity. And that allows us to maybe hold one store's feet to the fire a little bit more than the others. But a performance manager will dig deep into that data and really ensure that we're getting use with VinSolutions, and then if we see a spike up or a spike down, what are we going to do? And we have those conversations with our performance manager. It really helps us manage our business better. The biggest challenge that VinSolutions helped us solve is over the last 6 years, and we've significantly grown in that period of time, and we've purchased more stores in this same market, is it helped us begin to build a brand that's consistent with the original store that we had of the hometown feel, and the consistent message that goes out from that store is now that same consistent message that goes out to all the guests from all 5 stores. So we've been able to make that same culture from our original store really embedded into the other 4 stores that we've purchased and have that same feel to all of our guests. We are a process-driven company. And along that way, we've also established our core values and a mission statement. And those 3 things guide us through the year, through the month, and through each week, and with everyone we do business with. Since we have VinSolutions, we are able to put a campaign together, an ongoing campaign for service guests. And by using VinSolutions campaigning tool, we're able to communicate with guests enough to increase our service department retention by 238%, and that afforded us an ability to increase our headcount by 20% in our service department as well. We use all of VinSolutions products. We use it right from the desking tool to the appraisal tool to targeting and campaigning all of our guests. So really VinSolutions is a complete package for us to talk to guests that are prospects and talk to guests that have already purchased from us to ensure that we bring them into the entire cycle of our dealership, being from sales to service. And then we use our campaigning tool to continually communicate with our guests to bring them in for that service retention that's so important. Guest retention going forward is going to be more and more and more important. The market can't sustain the sales that we've had. So because there may be a little dip in the market, we know that through the use of VinSolutions, we will be in front of every one of our guests in our database to ensure that we're there when they need us. So that communication is critical to at least give us an opportunity to have them do business with us again. VinSolutions even helps us acquire more customers because the salespeople know that there's going to be an ongoing follow-up to that guest by simply getting them in the system. There's a number of different CRMs in the market. There's lots to choose from. But what really stood VinSolutions apart was the fact that they had a performance manager that was engaged, that was talented, and that would really challenge us. And that has proven to be the key difference from VinSolutions, and something that we're really happy with 6 years later is that position of the performance manager that's really challenged us and made us much better.